Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
We cover documents, we give you scripts, we give you how to courses, how to price your services, how to market your services, the different services that you can offer. Apostille is even included, wedding officiant. So you can check out all things notary at notaryeducatorsllc.com, okay? Let's see what else we got. Martha Morgan says, hey Kimmi, she's commenting on the initial disclosures video also. If you missed that one, go back and catch it. She says, hey Kimmi, thank you so much for taking time to share this good information. Continued blessings. I could be answering them as I'm going through this. I didn't even think to do that. I don't want to take up too much of your time here, so I'll come back and just answer the questions so they can get like a little reply or something, okay? If I can hit it while I'm here, I will. But yeah, if I can hit it while I'm here, I will. Because that is being productive, right? Let's see. I hurt my hand the other day, and I'm like, this is not good. It's my hand I stamp with. It's my crimping hands from my embosser. I'm like, this is not good. This is not good. Okay, let me get the next comment. That's why I didn't want to do it this way, because I know it would slow me down. Okay, we'll come back to this. Let's get the next comment. Or do you all have something? Okay, while I'm waiting on you, I'll go ahead. Welcome, everyone. Please feel free to drop your comments here or questions. We have somebody else that must be in an attorney state. Janine says, thank you for the video about being in an attorney state. Linda 17212 says it's about the how to make more money as a notary. She says, hey Kimmi, if I have my commission, my state handbook, do you still recommend getting your book specific to my state? I'm going to say yes, because your state handbook is not going to teach you how to become a notary. It's going to how to make business, how to make your notary business make money. It's going to teach you your state laws, okay? So I will come back and answer that actually. Actually, I'm going to hit that one right now. Hello, Linda. Yes, your state handbook only teaches you laws, not how to have a business, not how to start or grow a business, how to start or grow your notary business. And the book that she's referring to, for those of you who do not know, is the Start Your Notary Business book. It's not that complicated. I got a couple here I'm going to show you. Hey Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Let's see. I have a couple here. Every state has their own book. So we have the Indiana book. I just happen to have these handy. Indiana, Florida, Georgia. Every state has their own book, okay? Let's get the next question here. The next one was just a lot of claps for the initial disclosures. Carrie Ann, thank you so much. Harriet Davis says she also liked the little video I did yesterday. Thank you. Gary JS and I asked, what ID does an inmate have? They watched the jail signing video, so they're asking me what kind of ID. Typically inmates, and I've not been to jail, so I don't know. But I've not actually been in jail. But they typically have an ID wristband or something, or maybe their family member has a ID. They can give it to you as you're going in with the client. So there are different ways that you have to verify your client if they are an inmate. But typically it's going to be a wristband, and you got to make sure you know what your state handbook says too, because your state handbook may not allow anything fancy, okay, or anything out the norm. We got a couple questions here. Linda says, hi, I'm in Douglasville. What are the steps to becoming a notary? Yes, Linda, welcome. So first step is to get your commission. Next step is to start your business, of course. And before you even start your business, after you get your commission, you need some training. I'm going to say the T word. It's a dirty word out here sometimes. But you need to know what you're doing. You need to know what your notarial duties are, okay? So what I recommend is start out by getting the book for Georgia, all right? And that's going to tell you all about the notary business, what you can do, what you can't do in Georgia, because it's kind of different than other states. And then from there, I'm going to have you double back to do your training with us. And then we'll get you on the right path. If you only want to invest a small amount, I would say start with the Notarize Like a Pro. I do have several checklists that are free on the Notary Educator's website. So go under free resources. I have 3 beautifully prepared that I paid money for resources for you, okay? So you can download those 3 to get started. It takes you step by step how to start that business, okay? Willie Pinnell, I was talking about you earlier. What's up, Kimmy? Willie Pinnell says, hey, Kimmy, I got one of your journals, the paperback with the dog and the cat one, and the book, Become a Notary Signing Agent. I got them yesterday. Oh, you are so welcome. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I can't wait for you to fill up that journal. You're welcome, Linda. I cannot wait for you to fill up that journal. If you don't know what she's talking about, my friend is Willie Pinnell. This is the cat and dog journal. I have 10. I actually created 3 more based on a live the other day. They're coming soon. But this one is one of them. And I just love this one. It's one of my favorites. Now, this is the paperback. But all of the journals, is 10 of them to choose from. Okay. So just click under Notary Collection. Notary Journal Collection. And this is the hard copy. And I love this one. It's my favorite. I think this one and the dog. And it's so funny because I'm not a dog lover. But it covers everything you need to have in your journal. So check those out. It's 10 different ones. That's 2 of them. I'll show you a couple more I got here. The purple one, people went crazy. So I got a pink one coming. I got another pink one already out there. But I'm going to do another one. And this is the one with the butterfly. And they all contain like a list of sample screening questions, a sample oath, a place for you to write your dollar amount for your job that you're charging, to separate out your travel fee, and how many notary stamps. And all of that's important. There's even a tax course if you didn't know. This one is kind of car retro for my guys. A lot of people like leopard print. It's a white snow leopard. I like that one. Okay, I like all the ones I chose actually. So I'm waiting on 3 more to get approved by Amazon. So let's go while I wait on your questions. I'm going to get a couple more from these videos. So feel free to drop your questions. Let's see here. Prince Fabio says that they like the video about how to start your notary business. And also, let me go back to Linda too. Linda, check out my channel here too, because this will give you a nice overview as to how I am successful as a notary in the state of Georgia. I've been doing it for almost 6 years now, professionally. I was a notary before that, so I knew what a notary was. I just didn't know you could make money doing it. It was the best kept secret, but the pandemic opened up Pandora's box. So Prince Fabio says, I like these videos because I just got my commission. I can't wait to start my business and get work. See, you hear that sentence? Can't wait to start my business and get work. You need to, can't wait to start my business and learn the business, okay? No shade to Prince Fabio. But that's what I always try. I can't wait to get my commission and start making money. No, that's not how this thing works. You have got to take training, and then you can make money. Okay? The Secretary of State will give you the commission. They say, "Here you go, Linda. You got your commission. See ya." But, but, and I'm gonna say it one more time for the people in the back. But, okay, they don't teach you how to start a business or even how to properly do all your notarizations. Okay, that's where we come in. We're very hands-on. Even in the videos, if you buy the self-paced courses, we're very hands-on. So we teach you things that you're not going to learn in a textbook. Okay, sometimes I teach things in our courses, and my mentees will say, "Well, Kimmi, I've never heard that before," and you won't hear it nowhere, you won't see it nowhere. That's why you pay for training. That's why you're working with the #1 notary educators. Okay, all right, next we have Danielle Suzette again. Danielle was binge watching, so she got a lot of comments on the Power of Attorney podcast. She said she thinks she heard that last week live, and probably. So with the podcast, what we do is take the live video